Hello lovelies, this is the double herringbone stitch. We're basically going to do the herringbone twice, one on top of the other, but this is how you don't do it. Look at that one at the bottom, not evenly spaced, really untidy. You're basically doing your herringbone stitch again, but you're doing it in between each of the other ones. This isn't about doing it upside down or anything else. This is literally about doing it equally between the other herringbone stitches, and I've done it in a contrasting thread so that you can see the difference. The way to keep yourself on the straight and narrow with this one is to make sure that your crosses above are level with the crosses below and vice versa. Like I said, the one at the bottom is how not to do it. The one at the top is the way how to do it. It's just a short video today. Go look for my herringbone tutorial in my playlist. Happy stitching.